Hello guys, welcome to my English conversation video, and we are heading to the Jubilee Park area. We have to explore some area in Jubilee Park. So let's explore the Jubilee Park area. Let's do it. This place is also known as Jubilee Park Way area, and this area is also very beautiful. You can see the lush here and very big trees, and it's not just a big tree, it's also gigantic tree, and we can say we are looking this area, and the area is also beautiful area, and there's a lots of home and street light here, and there is a vehicle is going by the road, and yes, it's pretty beautiful area. You can enjoy the area. The vibe is very amazing in this area. You are seeing this area. This area is also known as Jail Chowk. This area is also very beautiful area. So you can see it now. Very good area, very beautiful area. And you're seeing some gigantic tree, some big tree in this area. And this is a good for environment. So let's go to explore Jubilee Park area. You are seeing this. This is a type of small book market. This also called as a old bookstore. And this old bookstore, this bookstore is selling the old books, and I think so this also selling is a new book. So I think you can go and just grab your new book. You have to want to purchase new book, so you can go and grab this book from here. You are seeing this. You are just seeing. This is a way of Jubilee Park. This is see the roundabout here. Here is a roundabout. Just turn the left or go inside this door. Go inside this place, this door place, and this big door. And there is a this vehicle is going inside from this place, from this little place, and just someone is come outside from the place. This place is known as a Jubilee Park. There is just nearby a petrol pump here in Jubilee Park. Jubilee Park is nearby the one petrol pump like Indian Oil is here, so you can feel your petrol from here, diesel petrol, whatever you feel, so you can fill from here. And there is a lots of shop is here, like you can see this. I can zoom this. You see lots of shop is here, so you can purchase from here whatever you want to purchase. You can purchase from here. Also way of Jubilee Park. This is a store, or this is a place of Jubilee Park, and there is lots of people is eating. So you can just come here and just eat here, and you can eat whatever you want to eat, like chow mein, dosa, whatever they are serving so much meal. So you can here you want to eat. You are seeing this. This is a straight line, or this is a straight path of Mango place, and you are seeing the roundabout here. Just a roundabout, and so many vehicles is going by. So many vehicles is going by this road, and this is a Mango place. This is a just old bookstore. You are seeing this. There's some stall is here. Stall not. This is some kind of book stall is here, and you can purchase the old book from here. And yes, this place is very pretty, and vibe is amazing in this place. So you can just will come here. So definitely go in the Jubilee Park and just see the Jubilee Park vibe. You see the Jubilee Park. There is a zoo, and lakeside is here, so you can just go in Jubilee Park and see the all places in Jubilee Park. You are seeing this is also another roundabout is here, and just you are seeing the Ganga Regency Hotel is here in this area. So Ganga Regency Hotel is an expensive hotel, so you can afford it, so you can come and just go and eat something. But most of the people can't afford it, so they are not just going to the hotel. But this also very good area in this our place. This area place is also Jail Chowk area. You going this up area, so you will go to the Jail Chowk, and this area is also very beautiful.